Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to order a checkbook from Capital One. To start, go to the website at CapitalOne.com. Then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see the list of accounts. Click on View Account. After that, you will see several options in the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Account Services and Settings. On the pop-up window, you will see a section that says Transfers and Payments. Click on the option that says Order a Checkbook. On the pop-up window, review your information. If you wish to change something, click the Edit button under the information you wish to change. Once reviewed and if no changes are necessary, you can just scroll down to the bottom. Next, click on the tick box to acknowledge you have reviewed the information provided. Then click on Place Order. That's how you order a checkbook from Capital One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.